Don't die.
You're good. I'm good. I'm good. All right. Are we good? Everyone got a card?
Sounds like you're good.
Got it. Heads down. Alrighty, traders, look up at each other. Alrighty, heads down. Athens, cut your out. I know that's what you do. Okay, I hope that's Athens.
That was not me. That was not me. He missed,
heads
dude.
up. Was that you?
Huh?
Was that you?
Oh, is your head in the middle? Who's shooting? Where are we going? I'm looking for... I am looking for a swing.
Driver, I will always obligate my duties for the right price. For the right price, yeah. What could you have to offer?
Do you guys have a swing anywhere?
I can take you to the swing.
You can take me to the swing?
Walk right in. And then I will even give you an armed escort.
I don't require an armed escort. You stay over there, good sir.
This might be a little bumpy.
Oh, god damn it! Hey, stop it!
Finally! I'm trying to find the bus.
Hey!
He wants to find his swing set. Oh. That's it.
That's it?
Game.
Oh, yes!
You damn it!
I was
damn it!
I was
Say
like that. Say
Well,
like that.
like
Yeah. I was trying to get close to Loki to knife him and then take out Crix.
So they were like, "Do you want to join the continental breakfast?" And I was like, "Not really." I'm sorry. It was
Well, thanks for doing the hard work for me.
You know what? All for you.
Okay, pick a card. One card, please. Don't take multiples. All right. Observe your card.
Everybody in, hands down.
Traders, heads up.
In, heads up.
All right, everyone, head down and go.
Okay.
In the doghouse.
You could say that.
Maybe he's as sick as a dog. Sick as a dog. A little bit under the weather, if you will.
Now stay away. Only I'm allowed to piss on my own house.
Now look. I have something you've been desiring. It's right over there. Would you care to join me?
Ah, I'm coming.
If you were my friend.
Someone died over there.
Someone just died. That's okay.
That's okay.
Okay.
Yay! Look at this, it's a swing! You can knife me while I swing. Whee! La, la, la. I just got to my swing. Hey!
Now I'm the hostage.
Hey, no, you put that hot. No.
Trust anyone.
No. Hostage takers don't put you in good favorability with anybody unless you're Russian.
Oh.
Am I Russian? I think I'm Russian.
Okay.
I think that's okay.